Good morning, everyone. My name is Familia Maritonor Aulia. I'm from Orthotic Prosthetic Regular First Intake. Today, I will be presenting about the cardiovascular system, including its definition, importance, how it works, and example related to prosthetic and orthotic. Okay, what is cardiovascular? The cardiovascular system is an organ system responsible for the transport of blood, hormones, nutrients, oxygen, and metabolic waste through a network of blood vessels formed by the heart. Okay, and then there's three main components of cardiovascular system. So first, there's heart. Heart is a muscular organ tied to it in the inner hand and located slightly to the left side of the chest. It has four chambers: the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle, which work together to pump blood throughout the body. Okay, in this illustration, we can see the major blood vessels connected to the heart. There's the aorta, vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, which transport blood in and out of the heart. Okay, and the second, there's blood vessels. Blood vessels are like pathways that allow blood to circulate throughout the body. Their function includes transporting oxygen and nutrients to tissues, removing carbon dioxide and waste products, distributing hormones, and helping regulate body temperature. These functions are essential for maintaining the body's internal stability. There are three main types of blood vessels. First, there's arteries, which carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart. And second, there's veins, which return the oxygenated blood back to the heart. And the last, there's capillaries, which serve as the site of nutrient and gas exchange. Okay, and this is plus main components of cardiovascular system. There's blood. Blood consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells are responsible for carrying oxygen, while white blood cells play a role in the immune system. Why cardiovascular system is important for our body? This is because it plays several vital roles that keep us alive and functioning properly, such as transporting oxygen and nutrients, removing waste substances, regulating body temperature, maintaining hormonal balance, and protecting the body from infection. How the heart works. The blood flow works in this sequence. The oxygenated blood enters the right atrium, moves to the right ventricle, and pumps to the lungs to receive oxygen. Afterwards, oxygenated blood returns to the left atrium, passes into the left ventricle, and then pumps out to the rest of the body through the aorta. Okay, to ensure that blood flows in one direction and does not return to the previous chamber, the heart is equipped with four valves, namely tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral valve, and aortic valve. And there's a location of valve, and then in short, body, right atrium, tricuspid valve, right ventricle, pulmonary valve, pulmonary artery, lungs, pulmonary vein, left atrium, mitral valve, left ventricle, aortic valve, aorta, and last body. And here, the illustration visually summarizes the four valves that I explained earlier. Okay, there's one example related to the field of orthotic and prosthetic is chronic venous insufficiency or CVI. This condition occurs when the veins have difficulty returning blood to the heart. A commonly used orthotic device for this condition is medial compression stocking, which help improve venous return and reduce symptoms such as swelling or discomfort. Nah, these are the sources I use to complete and support my presentation. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your time and attention. And if there are any mistake in my explanation, I sincerely apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.